What's up, gang? Fishing fam! We're on the way to a new spot today, and yeah, my buddy just told me about a place that's over here, just a little ways down the road. About a 10-minute or so drive, 10, 15-ish minutes. But yeah, he said it's a bunch of beds over there. You can kind of see them off the bank. He said it's heavily pressured though. He said he was actually just over there a couple of minutes ago, and he saw a lot of people out there fishing. So I don't know how good it's going to be today. The weather it's a beautiful day out here. 66 degrees, the sun is shining, there's not a cloud in the sky. So who knows? He said the water clarity is really good. He sent me a couple pictures of it, and from what I can tell, it's very clear. It looks like about 2-3 feet of visibility. You can see a few beds just off the stuff that he showed me. And I don't know if the bass are going to be locked on the beds or not, because like again, he said it's pretty pressured. So I'm hoping that that's not really the case. Maybe we can hopefully get one, maybe two, and yeah, hopefully we can score something and get it on film today for a new vlog. But yeah, we're getting on the highway now, so we'll be there in a minute.
Sipping on my lean and I'm
So the Eagle has landed. Yeah, we just got here. This place looks pretty legit. So that's what it looks like. And apparently there's bass swimming right there on the edge already. So you can see there's a few swimming right. Ooh, some nice ones in there too. So this is actually a two-part lake. There's one actually here and across the street. So we're gonna give this one a shot, but yeah, give me a second while I get the GoPro on and we'll switch over to the GoPro view. All right, we got a big female over here on this bed. And what we're really just trying to do is coax a bite out of her. She's literally just sitting down here on it. She's a little locked. My SD card was packed up. So I had to format it real quick and bring it back, which I wasn't wanting to do, but it is what it is. She's just holding right there. She's sitting right in this edge of this grass right here. There's a bunch of very large bass just schooling through here. Just huge bass just swimming right along through this line right here underneath this grass, small grass mats. Like, it's unbelievable how big these bass are that are just coming through here. You know what? I'm gonna give up on the jig for just a few minutes. Let's come back to that. Let's throw maybe let's try this rattle trap. See how that does in there. It's probably gonna sink too fast, so we gotta probably just rattle spooked her a little bit. She just went down about 8 feet over there. Let's see if she comes back. She's coming back. Coming back. She's just kind of chilling underneath that mat right there. Coasting her way back through. It's sitting down there on the bed now. So let's see if she sees it, what she thinks about it. Oh. figured she'd come down there and get me untangled. And she did not. I'm gonna lose my rattle trap. Yep. Well, there goes my rattle. No more of that. That's unfortunate. Switch it up. Dude, what is going on? What is going on over here? Why is all my stuff getting stuck? Oh my God. What is up with this? This is not good at all, and not any way how I wanted to start off my gun. Damn! Oh, that completely weedless, man. That makes no sense to me. It's 2 break-offs back to back. Gotta retry. We're gonna move spots. Alright. We're tied back on. 2 break-offs, same hole. Not very happy about it, but whatever. So, let's try something. Let's try a tube. I haven't thrown a tube in a while. Maybe I can flip one of these. Down into one of them holes. That is a thick bass, man. She is so thick. Dude, if this is stuck again, what is down there that's getting my line stuck? Let's see, right over there. Spooked her. Man, they are all over the place in here, man. There is so many big bass in here. It's crazy. He bit it and spit it. Bit it and spit it. It's a decent fish too. Man, some hard work over here, baby. Finally got one off the bed. Decent fish, man. Very decent fish. She's sitting right out here on this edge over here. There's a small bed literally right here. just started pitching right into it, man, and she just kind of just came out. They want it moving, man. I really think that's what it is they just got to have it swimming or something, man, because they just absolutely are not going after anything that's sitting on the bottom or dragging. None of it. They don't want any of it. But yeah, that's a good fish. Got her right in the side of the lip right there. And yeah. So let's go ahead and get her back in the water and get this done. It's a decent fish though. Back into that grass. Yeah, there's a bed. It's right here. She's just kind of just hanging out right along that bed. And I just pitched it over here, man. It took me a while, but these fish are really jacked up over here. So I think they're super pressured, and I think that's really why they're just really not biting. Guy over the way, across the way over there on the other side of the pond, he snatched a nice one out on the other side over there. Said he's throwing a little swim bait. So it may be swim bait season. I don't know. We got one. I think this is gonna be a one and done. But yeah, I might come back over here again tomorrow maybe and see about what this is looking like. So let's get out of here. Nope, she's not gonna eat. She doesn't like that. Swimming. Oh, well, she stopped to look at it for a second. Let's see. We might be able to get an eat out of her. Oh. Let's see. She didn't run off that time. Let's bump her with it. No, couldn't get a bump on her. I'm leaving in 5 minutes. She's coming. Ooh, she followed it. Bump on the tail. Maybe getting her worked up. Maybe getting her worked up. Maybe I can get her to eat it. Let's see. It's coming from way out in the distance. Bet if I had had that right there, when she swam back through the shrink bone, she probably would have ate that. Ooh. Ooh, that one, where did he come from? Got her. Got her. Oh yeah. Got her. Calm down. Yeah, she didn't want nothing to do. Oh yes. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. All it takes is a little bit. All it takes is a little bit. A little bit. What's up, bro? Yeah, man, I came back down and she got it finally. Yeah, man, look at that, baby. Came back down here and hit that bed one more time before it was time to roll up out of here. Man, that is a solid fish. Look at that hook set. Right in the top of the nose, baby. Reckless jigs, rage crawl, black and blue. You can't beat that. Look at that. That is a solid fish right there. Unbelievable. Come over here and check this out, man. So it's a bed right here with a little hole. She's just kind of patrolling and been sitting in that hole right there. This whole time, man, I've been throwing any and everything that I can think of inside of there, and I could not get her to eat it. I've thrown that jig in there a few times, and it just wasn't working out, man. I went down that way for a little bit, and I caught one down there, and I figured, hey, I'll stop back by here and see if maybe I can get her to eat. So I'm just swimming that jig through, swimming it through here. I'm bumping her on her back, see if I can get a reaction strike out of her. And man, look at that. It paid off. 100%, 100 times over. Unbelievable. That's what we came out here for right there. That's what we want to get. These big old fat girls right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get her back in the water, man. Nice fat girl right here. Get her back in here. And let her swim right on over there. Back into that bed. Look at that. Look at that. That's what we came here for right there, baby. Texas bass right there, baby. Yeah. All right, man. Let's get up out of here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. A nice, successful afternoon, man. We hit a new spot, super pressured, but we made it happen, man. We got on some good fish, saw a ton of unbelievable bass in here. Old buddy right there said he caught a 10-pounder out of here. That's amazing, man. That's what we're talking about, and that's the kind of stuff that we're looking for right there. And I'm gonna end this video on that note, and we're gonna get up out of here. So yeah, I appreciate y'all coming out, hanging out with your boy. That bass fishing dude out. Peace.